Ever wondered what it's like to chase one of the fastest, most powerful fish in the ocean? Today, we're diving deep into the world of the mighty king mackerel. This isn't just any fish. It's a torpedo-shaped predator renowned for its incredible speed and a taste that's prized by seafood lovers everywhere. So, if you're a fishing enthusiast, a foodie, or just curious about the amazing creatures in our oceans, you're in the right place. We're about to uncover everything you need to know about this majestic fish, from its life in the wild to its place on your dinner plate. Let's start with some science. The king mackerel, known by its scientific name, Scomboromorus cavala, is a true ruler of the warm coastal waters of the Atlantic Ocean. You'll find them cruising from the shores of North Carolina all the way down to Brazil. These fish are constantly on the move, migrating with the seasons to follow their preferred water temperatures and, of course, their next meal. They are part of the Scombridae family, which also includes tunas and bonitos, so you know they come from a lineage of powerful swimmers. Their habitat is typically near shore to offshore waters, often hanging around reefs, shipwrecks, and oil rigs where smaller fish gather. Now let's talk about what makes a king mackerel so visually impressive. These fish are built for speed. They have a long, slender, and incredibly streamlined body that cuts through the water with minimal resistance. Their skin is a stunning silvery color, almost iridescent, with a darker bluish-green back that helps them camouflage from above. One of their most distinctive features is a lateral line that takes a sharp, abrupt dip midway down their body. And these guys get big. While many caught are in the 10 to 30-pound range, true giants can tip the scales at over 90 pounds and stretch over 5 feet long. Imagine hooking into one of those. Beyond its impressive physique, the king mackerel is a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in our body. But the real star of the show is its incredible omega-3 fatty acid content. These healthy fats are famous for supporting heart health by reducing inflammation and lowering blood pressure. They're also crucial for brain function, helping to keep our minds sharp. On top of that, king mackerel is a fantastic source of vitamin D, which is vital for bone health, and vitamin B12, which supports nerve function and the creation of red blood cells. Eating this fish is like giving your body a premium fuel boost. With all that goodness, it's no surprise that king mackerel is a culinary star, especially in coastal communities. Its flesh is firm, oily, and has a rich, pronounced flavor that stands up well to bold cooking methods. Grilling is probably the most popular way to prepare it. A thick king mackerel steak, marinated and seared over hot coals, is a classic summertime treat. The high oil content keeps the fish moist and flavorful. Frying is another favorite, creating a crispy crust that contrasts beautifully with the tender inside. You'll also find it smoked, creating a delicious and savory dish that's perfect for dips or salads. Its strong flavor profile makes it a fish for those who truly appreciate a robust ocean taste. However, we need to talk about an important safety consideration. Mercury is a large predatory fish that sits high on the food chain. King mackerel can accumulate higher levels of mercury than smaller fish. Because of this, health organizations issue specific consumption advisories. It's particularly important for sensitive groups such as pregnant women, women who are planning to become pregnant, nursing mothers, and young children to avoid eating king mackerel. For others, it's recommended to enjoy this fish in moderation as part of a varied diet. Always check your local health advisories for the most up-to-date recommendations. Being informed allows you to enjoy seafood safely and responsibly. There you have it, the complete story of the king mackerel. A swift and powerful hunter, a nutritional powerhouse, a flavorful centerpiece on the dinner table, and a fish that commands respect. From its biology to the bite, it's truly a king of the sea. Thanks so much for joining me on this deep dive. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the fascinating world of marine life, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures. See you next time.